Khann International presents the new Aerodynamic Kit for Toyota LC300. The character and style of the legendary SUV would be additionally emphasized with Khann wide-body kit with exclusive carbon inserts. Specially developed hood and radiator grille cover add up exclusivity to the kit. Final touches to the absolute and bright image are done by carbon elements, stylish mirror covers and aerodynamic spoilers. Khann LT2 forged wheels are designed specially to match the style of LC300 Khann and are available in different colors.